This tutorial guides you through creating and configuring audiences in the iGEO AI search platform. You will learn how to define audience characteristics, add knowledge sources, and set content guidelines for effective targeting. Click Select Audiences to open the Audience Selection menu. Click Create your first audience to begin setting up a new audience. Click Create Audience to start the audience creation process. Click over Tech Savvy Early Adopter to select a sample audience template. Enter B2B SaaS sales leaders as the name for your new audience. Click Characteristics, Goals, and Needs to specify audience details. Enter sales leaders at small and mid-sized B2B SaaS companies who need a simple CRM to manage leads, track deals, improve follow-up, and give their teams better visibility into their sales pipeline. To describe the audience profile, click Oregon 18 to 35 or 18 plus to specify the age range for the audience. Enter 28 to 55 as the age range for the audience. Click e.g. college graduate PhD to specify education preferences. Enter college graduate, business or technology background preferred to define education background. Click Create Audience to save the new audience profile. Click Brand Book to open the Brand Book section. Click Select Audiences to return to the Audience Selection menu. Click On to enable the Audience option. Enter On to confirm the Audience option is enabled. Click Save to apply the audience settings. Click here to continue to the next step. Click Source 1 to select the first knowledge source. Switch to docs.google.com to access the document source. Click here to open the document link. Click here to proceed within the document. Click here to continue in the document. Switch to App, iGEO, SAI to return to the iGEO application. Click Source 1 to confirm the first knowledge source selection. Enter https://bestcrmmever.com as the URL for the knowledge source. Click Add Knowledge Source to include the new source. Click Source 2 to select the second knowledge source. Switch to docs.google.com to access the second document source. Click here to open the second document link. Switch to App, iGEO, OAI to return to the iGEO application. Click Source 2 to confirm the second knowledge source selection. Click Add Knowledge Source to include the second source. Switch to docs.google.com to access the third document source. Click here to open the third document link. Switch to App, iGEO, AI to return to the iGEO application. Click Source 3 to select the third knowledge source. Click Add Knowledge Source to include the third source. Switch to docs.google.com to access the fourth document source. Click here to open the fourth document link. Switch to App, iGEO, I to return to the iGEO application. Click Source 4 to select the fourth knowledge source. Click Content Guidelines 1 to open the first content guideline. Enter Write in a clear, practical, and helpful tone for B2B SaaS sales leaders as the first content guideline. Click Add Guideline to save the first content guideline. Click Content Guidelines 2 to open the second content guideline. Enter Focus on business outcomes. Better pipeline visibility, faster follow-up, cleaner deal tracking, and easier sales team adoption as the second content guideline. Click Add Guideline to save the second content guideline. Click Content Guidelines 3 to open the third content guideline. Enter Explain features in simple language and connect each feature to a real sales workflow as the third content guideline. Click Content Restrictions 1 to open the first content restriction. Click Content Restrictions 1 again to edit the first content restriction. Enter Do not claim that Best CRM Ever is the best CRM for every company or every use case as the first content restriction. Click Add Restriction to save the first content restriction. Click Content Restrictions 2 to open the second content restriction. Enter Do not make unsupported claims about competitor pricing, features, or performance as the second content restriction. Click Add Restriction to save the second content restriction. Click Content Restrictions 3 to open the third content restriction. Enter Do not promise specific revenue growth, conversion improvements, or sales outcomes as the third content restriction. Click Content Guidelines. Content Guidelines 1. Content Guidelines 1. Remove Content Guidelines 2. Content Guidelines 2. Remove Content Guidelines 3. Content Guidelines 3. Remove Add Guideline to manage content guidelines. Click Save to apply all audience and content settings. Click Audiences to return to the main Audiences page. Click Brand Book to access the Brand Book section again. You have successfully created and configured a new audience in iGEO AI search by defining its profile, adding knowledge sources, and setting content guidelines and restrictions. This setup enables targeted and effective audience management for your B2B SaaS sales efforts.